All right, this is my first video for this channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to build the miraculous potion machine, uh, which I've been using for a lot of little projects so far. So, wrong screen. Okay, first one. So, all right, how to build the miraculous potion machine. Okay, first off, what is the potion machine? It generates little amusing potions that turn you into creatures. Just little text descriptions. So some examples. An iridescent blue potion that smells burnt. With the effect, you become a confused, chaotic, neutral reindeer with an authoritarian personality. Another example. A congealed, deep pink potion that smells minty. Effect, you become a healthy, chaotic, evil mule with an unfriendly personality. We'll do a couple more. A gaseous blue potion that smells fruity. Effect, you become a foolish, chaotic, good blue jay with a benevolent personality. I think this is the last one. A clearish brown potion that smells gamey. With the effect, you become an unlucky, chaotic, neutral shit golem with a confident personality. Okay, so how does it work? It's pretty simple. It uses phrasal templates to generate these potions. It's really just an automated Mad Libs. So here's a quick example of the potion part itself. So it's got a liquid type, color, potion that smells, smell. Seems a little confusing. We'll do one more. So you can see liquid type will be cloudy, color is red, smells can be fishy, which will give us a cloudy red potion that smells fishy. Now we'll do the effect to give you kind of an idea, help you out. A trait, alignment, creature with a personality. I know it sounds a little confusing, but when you see it go through, it kind of starts to make sense. So we're gonna have the trait, it's foolish, alignment, it's gonna be chaotic evil, creature is a trout, and the personality is spontaneous, which gives us a foolish, chaotic evil trout with a spontaneous personality. So the way these are generated, there's a whole bunch of lists for each one of those attributes. So, and the one that I've been using commonly, there's 9 alignments, 139 colors, 420 creatures, 20 liquid types, 49 personalities, 42 smells, and 17 traits. So you can do the math. It means there's a whole huge amount of combinations you can do in this. So here's some Python code to give you an idea of how it works. So first of all, we've got our, just an example, a list of smells. And this is truncated because, as you saw, I think in the previous slide, in reality, I have 42 different smells in this machine. And this list, we've got quite a bit fewer. So we just got to make yourself a list. We import random, and then we start choosing randomly from those lists. So we select ourselves a color, a liquid type, and a smell. And then we just format a string like so, and input our randomly selected color, liquid, and smell, and then return a potion. There is a bit of a problem with articles. So in English, a turns to an if the next word is got a vowel. So an angel versus a cat. So what we've got here is a little article selector. So you grab the first word of the letter and then you run it through this little check, and it gives you either a or an an. And so, like in the previous example, we grab the first letter from liquid type, run it through the article selector, it gives us an article, and then we just add that to our formatted string. So now it's got the article, liquid type, color, smell, so it'll produce somewhat coherent sentence. I did this because it's a little more interesting than Hello World for some of my experiments. I wanted something that kind of kept me interested. Doing Hello World on everything made me kind of sad. So far, I made a little web page that generates potions and effects, and the bit.ly link right there. I made a Twitter bot that you can follow. It's not active right now, but hopefully by the end of tonight, it will be active. And I've also made Alexa custom skill, which is quite fun. It's very fun hearing Alexa read those potions. I I'm going to be doing a tutorial sometime next week about how I made that skill too. We'll see how that goes. Okay, so this is my first video. Plan on doing more. If you want to contact me, the very best way is just going to be on Twitter. There's my Twitter handle. Yep. If you want to contribute, it's kind of a mess, but this is all based on a little project I started called the Seeds of Infinity. And I was thinking about procedurally generated RPG content. And what I wanted to do was have a resource that would have a whole lot of colors, a whole lot of creatures, things like gems and metals. So anything you could think of that you might put in one of these Mad Lib type sentences that would be related to D&D. Yeah, so like alignments, all that kind of stuff. Right now it's a huge mess. It's really more of a good intention than an actual project, but I'd be willing to see where it could go if anybody wanted to help out. All right, so that is the end of this video. Thank you for viewing, and if you like it, subscribe. I'll have more videos in the future. Hopefully they'll be better than this one. Not that this one was bad, but hopefully I'll get better. All right, thank you for watching.